Hey there, this is Sean Butterworth. I'm a Kangen Water distributor, and I'm going to introduce you just what are the benefits of Kangen Water. Now, it all began in the 1950s when scientific research was actually conducted in several unique locations around the world. And for thousands of years, these certain locations, they have maintained legendary status as a natural source for a miracle healing water. Now, these four different locations were Lourdes, France, Nordano, Germany, Tlacote, Mexico, and Delhi, India. Now, it was actually discovered that all of the miracle healing water had one thing in common, and that was an abundance of active hydrogen. And that is today known as alkaline water. Now, the three main properties of our alkaline water, it's also known as Kangen Water, by the way, and that's trademarked by our company, Enagic Incorporated. Now, the first property is anti-oxidation. The second property is microclustering, and the third property is high alkalization. Now, the first property I will explain for you. When you think of it, oxidation happens when you cut an apple in half and it starts to rot. That's the same a lot of people call the rusting process for an apple, or on the nail, or on any steel or anything. Well, the same thing happens inside of our body, and that's called the oxidation or the aging process. Now, with Kangen Water, with our breakthrough water technology, it's going to help that anti-oxidation. It's going to help prevent that oxidation process, and it's also actually going to help as an anti-inflammatory. Now, here's a pH or an ORP chart right here, and on one side you're going to see unhealthy beverages, on the other side you're going to see healthy beverages. Now, the right side is the unhealthy side. You're going to find regular bottled water, distilled water, tap water, sports drinks, and soda. Now, these beverages are actually going to promote the aging process because of the positive oxidation. Now, on the other side, because it's negative side, it's going to actually help act as an anti-inflammatory, and it's going to help lower the aging process. Now, that's just what Kangen Water can actually help do for you. Now, second of all, here's the microclustering diagram. On the left side, you're going to see a regular H2O cluster, a regular water cluster, and the other side is our Kangen Water microcluster. Now, that's why our water can also be called microclustered Kangen Water. Now, the two different clusters are very different in size, and our Kangen Water has a very small molecular size, so it's going to help hydrate the body like no other water can. And the better your body is hydrated, the more efficiently it can detoxify itself, even on a cellular level. And the better your body can detoxify itself, the better it will limit the toxins being stored. And that's another way that you can even say that Kangen Water can help lose weight, because toxins tend to be stored in fatty tissues. Now, third of all, you're going to see a pH scale chart, and it's going to show acid versus alkaline. Now, you can see on the alkaline side, our Kangen Water is on that side because it's very, very alkaline. It can actually help prevent and neutralize acidic waste that is inside the body. On the other side, you'll see sports drinks, sodas, tap water, and bottled purified water. These waters are acidic, so by consuming them, you're going to put acid waste inside your body, unless if it can detoxify itself. But if you're not putting enough alkaline in your body, it's going to have a hard time. And, as the body gets more and more sick, it's also becoming more and more acidic. Because, sickness and disease, it cannot live in an alkaline body. So by consuming enough Kangen Water, it will actually help keep the body alkaline, and it will help prevent disease. Here's an example, and here's some good backup. You're going to see Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg. You may never heard of him, but he was a German biochemist, and what he found is in 1935, cancer cannot live in an alkaline environment. it can only live in an acidic environment. So he actually found that alkaline water with an excess of OH minus ions, it can help make the cells in the body more alkaline, and that will also help the cells prevent more. It will help prevent disease from happening. So by changing your water, you change your life, and that's where our company tagline comes into place. Alrighty, so that's the end, and I introduce you to the three properties. I'm willing to give you totally free, valuable information, just to give you some more knowledge on just how this water can help. So the first thing I'm willing to give you is a free it's about 25-page ebook, and it's on acid alkaline balancing. And it's not only going to tell you how Kangen water can balance the alkaline levels in your body, but also how you can do that through diet and through stress management and many other ways. This ebook alone changed my life, and you have to get this. So I'm also willing to send you a free Kangen Water DVD. It has everything that you need to know: testimonials, documentaries, scientific proof, endorsements on the videos, and it's at least 4 hours worth of information. So if you go to my website, and I'm going to give you the link soon, you can actually fill out the form, and I will be able to send you this free DVD no charge. And I'm also offering a free weekly newsletter that you can sign up for, and this newsletter will help teach you more about this amazing water. So here's the link right here. Go to www.kangenglobalonline.com, and that's exactly where you can get that free stuff.